Hi kids, welcome to Bona Pikinini. Today in Teach Me Setswana, we're gonna learn how to say the names of many different things in Setswana. Let's go! Things is dilo in Setswana. That's how you say things. This is an axe. An axe in Setswana is selepe. That's how you say an axe in Setswana. Selepe. Well done. And a tree in Setswana is known as setlhare. So in Setswana, when you want to say tree, you say setlhare. That's a pot. A pot is poto. That's super easy, right? Well done. Poto. And that's a car. How do you say car in Setswana? Well, a car is koloi. Koloi. Well done. That's a kettle. It's used for boiling water, right? A kettle in Setswana is Kiddies. Kiddies in Setswana means kettle. Well done. That's a scissors, right? Scissors is sekero in Setswana. Sekero. Snip, snip. That's a bucket. A bucket in Setswana is emere. Emere means bucket in Setswana. And that's a table. Table in Setswana is tafuli. That's how you say table in Setswana. Tafuli. That's a house where you live with your mommy and daddy. A house is ndlu in Setswana. Ndlu. One last time. Ndlu. Those are forks. They're used for eating, of course. A fork is foroko. Foroko. Very well done. And that's a cap, right? A cap is kepese. Kepese is a cap in Setswana. That's a flower. A flower is called situnya in Setswana. A flower is situnya in Setswana. Well done. That's a bed where you sleep at night. A bed is called bolao. Bolao in Setswana means bed, and that's a knife. A knife is tipa. Tipa. That's a chair, used for sitting, of course. And a chair is setilo. Setilo. What's next? A hat, for protecting you from the sun. A hat is toro. Toro means hat in Setswana. And then what do we have next? A cup for drinking nice delicious juice or water. A cup is kopi in Setswana. One more time. Kopi. Well done. And that's a comb for combing your beautiful black hair. What do you call that? Sekamo. Sekamo means comb in Setswana. Now it's quiz time. Let's see how much you remember. Let's go. What's a cup? We just did that now. Kopi, of course. Well done. I knew you'd get that right. And what's a tree? Setlhare. I gave you a clue there. And what's a house? A house is ndlu in Setswana. This is easy, right? And what's a table? A table is tafuli. A table is tafuli in Setswana. What do you call a comb? Sekamo, of course. Well done, guys. See you next time. Bye.
If you've enjoyed our videos, please like, share and subscribe to Bona Pikinini for more African Kiddies content.